Your boy Double Grace. I'm here with my boss.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hype Legend, the High Priest.
Okay, I praise. I'm Double Grace. I just want to share to play a game with you. Like, what do you like most about yourself?
I like myself because I have my own word. I keep my words.
Okay, okay. Like, let me ask you. Like, I know that the question will not be annoying. Like, what is the worst experience that you have with a girl?
The worst experience I have with a girl is I met a girl in the same hotel. I want to carry another girl to go and sleep
Okay, okay. What do you like most about ladies?
because they are easy to confuse.
Okay, okay. Like, what kind of girl do you like?
Or I like chubby with big breasts. Emakwa.
Okay. Do you like tall or short?
Average is okay.
Thick or chubby?
Are
Very
you playing?
thick.
What type of plane is
Doggy or missionary?
Doggy.
you are
I'm
a bad
okay.
boy.
Okay, I'm my legend. Can we play a game? Okay, I want you to mention 5 countries that start with O. If you get the country correct, you have a chance of winning 2K. Are you in?
I'm in.
Your time starts now. You have 5 seconds.
All
One,
right. Oman.
two, three, four, five. Thanks for having me, I'm my legend.
Thanks for watching, guys.